Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. This is a review of the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawnmower. I've had this mower for about 6 months now, and I'm ready to share my thoughts. I really do like this mower. This is the first battery-powered mower I've ever owned, and I was a little worried when I bought it. We have a little over a quarter-acre yard, and it's mostly flat. I've owned plenty of gas-powered mowers over the years, but I was finally ready to give battery-powered equipment a try. I'm glad I did. The mower operates smoothly, it's very quiet, and it's lightweight. I'm also glad I didn't spend the extra money on a self-propelled model. One battery will usually handle my entire yard, giving me around 35 to 45 minutes of runtime. The height adjustment is easy to use, the controls are simple, and the entire mowing process is straightforward. Installing and removing the battery is quick and easy. There's virtually no vibration, no trips to buy gasoline, and no gas cans sitting in the garage. It's just a very simple mower to own and operate. It does a nice job cutting grass. I normally use the mulching option and have been happy with the results. At some point, I'll probably try the bagging option just to see how it performs. I've also purchased several other tools from Greenworks, and I've been happy with all of them. Having multiple tools that use the same battery system is a huge advantage. The one battery fits all design works really well, and having extra batteries on hand makes things even more convenient. The only negative I can think of is the size. I purchased the 16-inch model, and while I don't really need a larger cutting deck, a wider mower would probably save me a little time. That's probably just me being a bit lazy if I'm being honest. Overall, I would definitely recommend this mower and this brand. If you're considering other Greenworks tools, I'd suggest making sure they all use the same battery platform. Having multiple compatible batteries means there's almost always one charged and ready to go. A few additional thoughts after using it for a while. First, don't let your grass grow for more than a couple of weeks before mowing. The mower seems to have a torque sensing feature that increases power when it encounters thicker grass. It does a good job powering through heavy growth, but it also drains the battery much faster. In my experience, battery usage can nearly double when mowing overgrown grass. Second, the grass collection bag is surprisingly small. I personally wouldn't want to use it on anything much larger than a townhouse-sized lawn because you'd spend a lot of time stopping and emptying the bag. Third, the battery charges faster than I expected. If you've really pushed the mower hard, you'll need to let the battery cool down for about an hour first. After that, it can recharge most of the way back to full in roughly 2 to 3 hours. Fourth, this mower is incredibly quiet. You can easily listen to music or a podcast while mowing without any problem. Fifth, it's amazingly lightweight. This is especially noticeable if your yard has slopes like mine. The mower feels almost feather-light and is much lighter than even many small gas-powered mowers. It handles hills and uneven terrain with ease. And finally, because it's electric, there are very few moving parts besides the blade itself. The blade is really the only part that requires regular maintenance. You can forget about winterizing a gas mower, changing fuel, or searching for ethanol-free gasoline to avoid damaging the engine or carburetor. Even if the battery only lasts 4 or 5 years, I still think the long-term operating costs are likely lower than a comparable gas mower. Overall, I've been very happy with this purchase. It's lightweight, quiet, easy to use, and does exactly what I need it to do. I only hope I'm still this happy with it next year and the year after. If you have any questions about this mower, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy mowing.